I'm Andy Adams with Canadian Yachting Magazine, and I'm at the International Boat Builders Exposition in Louisville, Kentucky. With me today is Ed Todd from Dometic Corporation, and they've just introduced a wonderful new product called Smart Touch. It's a climate control solution like you've never seen for a boat.
Hi, this is Ed Todd with Dometic. We're here at IBEX 2013. We're going to talk about our new Smart Touch digital cabin control. Okay, right now it's in the screensaver mode and it's refreshing every 30 seconds. But as soon as we want it to operate, we just simply touch the screen and we bring the very first screen comes up. It's very minimal, but it's very useful for our customer. The first thing you'll notice is this is the inside temperature. It tells us inside temperature. Touch it one time. We're set to be at 74 degrees and cool. Again, brings us up to our heat setting. And there's our outside temperature, 90, 91 degrees. So the customer can see everything that's going on in the system as well as the outside temperature. You can raise your temperature request in the heat mode or lower it, whatever mode she happens to be in right now. It's an automatic mode. But if I want to see more of the program, touch the plus button for more product. And that tells us we're in the automatic mode where it'll go into cool, it'll go into heat as required according to our set point. You also see a fan button, an up or down button again on this screen, so you can make changes in the parameter. But one of the most unique things about this new control is it has a date and a timestamp. There's a real-time clock inside this device. And that's important for our customers that have boats that are in a marina where the electricity is either expensive or you don't want to be wasting the energy to run the air conditioning all week. Because we now have the ability to do a program scheduler. We can set up the machine to run much like a home or office thermostat during the week, and you run minimal hours, Monday through Friday. But Saturday and Sunday when you're going to be boating, you can have it set to run at different temperatures when you're on the boat. You can even set it up so that when you're about to arrive on the boat, anticipating it, you can have the control set to operate at a colder temperature. The boat's ready to go when you arrive. Go back to the main screen again. We also have some control parameters, much the same we've always had in our previous systems. We've maintained those on this product. You set the date and time, and that's very important for a number of reasons besides the scheduler that we had. We also now have control parameters that when you do have a troubleshooting system or you do have fault history, it will put a date and timestamp on the system. So when the owner gets to the boat over the weekend, he can go into this and see how many faults, if he's had any faults, and it logs it for him, and it's a permanent record of all the faults that he may have experienced. It's a great way for a customer to look for cleaning his strainers, cleaning his air filters. It gives him a little tickle to do that. We also have an hour meter for his compressors and an hour meter for the fan as well. From a boat builder standpoint, when they certify the air conditioning at the end of the line when they're signing off on it, there's now a program that they'll be able to go into and log the person's name or clock number, checking the airflow, checking the water flow, the amperage, to make sure that the system operates as it's supposed to. And there's a record for our customer as well as their customer right here in the control. Let's see what else we've got. One other feature that's coming later the year will be the ability to CAN bus this product with all the other units on the boat. They run a wire from one unit to the other unit, and you can then from one control you can go in and look at 3 or 4 of the air conditioning units you have on the vessel, and we'll call this the convenience panel option. And eventually there will be an app for this. You will be able to, if you have the CAN bus and you have an IP address on your boat, you will be able to go through a smartphone and turn your air conditioning on, turn your air conditioning off, and see the system operation.
That's fantastic. Thanks so much, Ed.
You're welcome, sir.